Welcome back to the Sons of the Forest. The story continues.
It's so bright out here.
We all float down here.
I said bright.
I don't care. Which direction is it?
I believe it is that.
We have a whole pack of cannibals right here. As you're just, staring at him. Come here, little guy. Go away. Back off, you pest.
I can't carry any more arms.
Incoming. Another one behind you.
Another behind you too.
Jesus. What did you bring us out to? They're learning from us and wearing armor.
Yeah, I realize that. I'm annoyed that I can't pick them off for them.
Is that it? Can I heal now?
Well, you need to heal?
They took my armor off.
Jesus fuck.
What?
Little creepy one just jumped out of the bushes. I didn't even see it.
This one?
No.
He's dead now. Also, I don't know. I think you're going the wrong way. Aren't you? I think that's back home.
No, it doesn't.
Pretty sure it is.
No, because back home is behind us. Back home is that way.
God, how many of you live here?
Quite a few of them.
We literally have piles of corpses. Can you just piss off? I saw that. I want the skin pouch. Also, I think this is before you put the marker on Virginia, so I don't know where she is either.
No, I know where she is.
Yeah, it doesn't show me. Is that it? Are we done? Let's go. You're also still wearing your flippers, by the way. That's also why I can, just zoom past you. Oh yeah, we were gonna go to the chopper crash after that last cave.
We still can.
Because we got the rebreather. I was trying to think of what else we haven't done, because things are overlapping at this point.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know, somebody's computer having meltdowns.
Hey, mine's not the only one, alright?
Uh-huh. I'm still wondering what part is having an issue here, because I don't know what exactly your setup is. I know you have a better graphics card than me.
No, honestly, it's not just me. I know there's tons of people complaining about it on the forums and all that, too.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. It all takes somebody trying to play this with bare minimum settings, and it's early access, and it's very pretty, and a lot of shit moves.
Well, they're complaining about the exact same thing. That's happened to me. And you know what my setup is.
I don't know what your setup is.
Not as good, it's not better than yours.
I don't know. I thought it was better than mine, or it was slightly better or something. No, it was until I upgraded, that's what it was.
I know my graphics card is slightly better than yours, but
It's your graphics card's over double mine, bud. My laptop has a better graphics card than you do, but this computer doesn't.
I want to get a 4090, but that's
Oh, we have company around the thing. I was just clearing bushes. Alright. There was more than one. Watch my back. I'm gonna start digging. Is that them calling for backup or something?
I'm down.
No, that didn't take long.
I'm not even sure how I was down. I just had more health.
I mean, if you don't have any armor, they shred you. Especially these bigger ones.
I did have armor. That's what I'm saying. There was more of armor, but I did have armor.
I mean, he took half my armor in 2 swings.
I know, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
I'm also wearing pajamas.
There's also another one here. And that also might be another reason, because those also add protection and other thing. He's over there. He was just in the tree, so he'll probably be here in a second. Well.
I cut off his head.
I see that. Oh.
He was
Shotgun, but I'm sad. Ah! There was another one.
I figured.
There we go. Oh, Jesus. God. Where's your guys' camp? I'm fucking wiping it out.
Alright. I think it's over here somewhere.
That seems like a waste of a shotgun shell. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there's a cannibal.
No.
You and using the damn shotgun. Oh, hey, there's the camp. We're right next to it.
Yeah, I knew we were. We just didn't quite.
Or, no, I don't think it's their camp. It's just a camp. There's just some cannibals here.
Ooh, quick one.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's slug ammo. Save.
Well, why would we ever do that?
You know what? Good point.
You know, it's not like someone has computer meltdowns. Ow, what? Look, go away! Come here. Fucking, you won't leave, you get to die. Wipe out your whole damn species.
I'm pretty sure those are humans.
I'm gonna do, equip. You can fill your canteen. I don't know if it's just one drink out of it or several. I don't know how it works, but...
Shotgun, shotgun.
Yeah!
I'm gonna go hunting now.
Oh, God. You could have went hunting with the crossbow.
Yes, but this is much for satisfying, you know it.
Great, we'll have food for about 3 days, and then we'll be out of bullets.
Not if I take yours too.
I'm not giving you my damn ammo.
It's like I have both slug and buckshot.
So do I. I'm just not using them. I'm sure there'll be enemies in the future that I will need that thing, and I'm going to save it.
Yeah, I mean, we still haven't run into any pinkies or anything.
Supposedly it gets worse and worse. I mean, like the original Forest, if you actually played, I think it was like 120 something days in the game. It spawns that worm creature that we cheated in that one time.
I don't remember that.
It was basically a bunch of just big snake worms that combined together and would even fly.
Yeah, I don't remember that at all.
How do you not remember that? We did that several times. Also,
I think this looks familiar.
Also, I don't think you can even kill the damn thing. At least we weren't able to.
You know, I think this is actually where the plane crashes.
There's the plane crashes?
In the first one.
Plane random crashed. It did a different one each time.
Did it?
Yeah, it had like 6 or 7 different locations it could crash.
I think that's one.
Possibly. As I said, I think this is a prequel because like I haven't seen the crater, and the crater was pretty prevalent. You could see it from anywhere.
I mean, you feel we haven't even gone to the mountain yet.
I mean, you might not have.
I will shoot you.
You act like me saying anything was going to stop that problem.
Here's the real question. How well will we be able to see in water over here?
I don't know. We couldn't see much normally, but at least we could breathe. I just don't know if there's something down there. They mark it, so there must be something, right?
At the very least, there might be a locator beacon thing.
I don't know. I'm going... Oh, right, wetsuit. I forget about that part. It doesn't auto-equip that.
It is dark.
Why is my oxygen thing not here? Yeah, I'm drowning. I clicked equip too, and it didn't actually equip it. Look at that, it's on. Weird.
Oh.
Did you find it?
No, I found it. I'm not really seeing anything to look it up. Like, I don't even see the pilot's body anymore.
I mean, it's broken open the front. Brucey might have made really short work of that.
Owl's got second seaweed doesn't help either.
That and you have, like, no visibility pretty much. So there's nothing down here. At least nothing for now. They might add something.
Oh, yeah.
What?
We have a friend.
I think I'll just stay down here and then I don't have to deal with him.
No, an actual friend.
Who would that be? Oh, did she have a
yeah.
shotgun?
I see a pistol.
Yeah, so she don't have the shotgun because you did the world save because the world's on your thing. Ugh.
I'm not giving you my shotgun.
What did you put on her?
I don't know. Oh, the truck suit.
Here, Virginia. I'll do it. Oh, I pushed the button. It didn't do it. Actually, no. Here, since I know this gives me an achievement. Here's your dress. And then here's your shotgun. I ain't gonna use it right now, so. Turn! Where? Alright, I don't know what to do now.
I know there's caves up over by the actual, like, Snowy Mountains.
I don't know. Boop. Doop. Tape. Tape.
Munchie reaches as a waste of food.
What? The way he eats them?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Just dump a fucking handful in and then throw the box away.
Exactly.
I mean, isn't that how you eat? Gosh.
No.
Liar.
I am offended you think that.
Cool. Well, I'm all out of the tech stuff. I'm pretty sure I almost have enough for a full set. Alright, well, do you want to go work on the house, or do you want to go to the mountain?
Let's just go to the mountain. It is extra dark.
It's dark? I couldn't tell.
No, it's not just dark, it's extra dark.
It's because we went through, like, that much of the story. Now it's going to get really tough out here.
No, it's gonna rain.
No. I hear something.
I don't.
I'm right next to you, so...
I don't hear anything.
Then you're deaf.
No, I'm ignoring it.
Oh my god! Well, we're not going to be able to.
Or...
Because they're coming to us.
Oh, that's why. I think there's a camp right here.
Yeah, I know. You literally, like, stood on the tent as you walked over it.
Big guy.
Oh, hi, big guy. How many can we get in his gut before he dies?
He's already dead.
I'm evil.
You're evil.
Sitting there crying over a dead husband or whatever, and just thunk into the back of the head. There's still... Oh, it's a tied up one. There was another one, but I think he ran off.
I did.
Thunk. So apparently they don't like the tied up, the ones under the ground either.
Huh.
What?
I'm sitting on it.
They had a throne?
Mm.
Ugh.
Can we take it?
I'll do it. He didn't like that I sat on the throne.
Looks like he's wearing a wetsuit. Or part of one, at least.
It looks like he's wearing like a leather jacket. Can I break this? Ah! God! There's another one! It knocked me down.
God, why are you always going down?
I revived you the last 2 times. Oh, there's more! And it's a biggin. Thunk! Are you dead? Oh wow, 1 shot killed you. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Please get up.
Are you down? I'm up. I'm down.
Please get up. Oh my god, it fucking... revive. It started trying to give you something. Please be dead. Is that it? Just trying to break this camp and hopefully find some loot, but damn, that hurt.
Under rock.
So they had no loot here from the looks of it.
No. No loot.
Just a big camp. With a lot of cannibals.
Yeah.
We might want to leave before some more come back from a hunting trip. At this point, I think they are trying to hunt us.
No.
Why do you have to piss off all our neighbors? I entirely blame this on you.
I blame this on you.
How's it my fault?
How is it not your fault?
I just wanted to build a house. Cannibal.
I like how well, there's one behind us too. Someone.
What?
Okay, this looked like blood for a second at night.
I don't know how it did, but... Let's just keep moving before another pack of these assholes show up. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's another one. I don't like this. Where are you taking me?
Vietnam.
He's behind you, by the way. I killed it. I shot it in the butt with the crossbow. Didn't you know? Their butt's the weak point.
Makes sense to me. I mean, have you ever been shot in the mouth? It does not feel good.
Don't remind me. Crazy weather today, too.
What? In game or in real life?
Real life. Bright and sunny to pouring rain to hail back to bright and sunny, all within about 20 minutes.
Oh, I didn't get the hail.
I was working outside. Oh, no weather. No rain today at all, except for like 7 in the morning it called for like 30% chance. Then all of a sudden it's just dumping rain and I have a bunch of things that are not supposed to get wet in front of me. Basically everything I did today I might have to pull off and start over.
Sounds about right.
Okay, I have no energy to drink. Where the hell's this damn can opener?
I don't know.
What was I gonna do? Oh yeah,
Could be in the cave that we're going to.
Possibly, I don't know. I'm trying to follow you, but I had to stop and drink because I was thirsty and tired.
No, it's fine.
Also, I adore the crossbow.
Yeah, actually, it was pretty fun.
And especially that it's reusable ammo.
Yeah.
I need the flashlight attachment. Like, we have to go back in some of these caves or look it up at which cave has it.
And you have a video.
Yeah, and I have to go through 3 hours of footage to find where it is.
Fast forward.
It's still sitting there waiting for 3 hours and wait till we say, hey, flashlight, so fast forward wouldn't really work.
Well, yes.
Or 2 seconds online, which cave is the fucking flashlight attachment in? Sons of the Forest?
That's cheating.
No, it's not cheating. We've already found it. I'm not looking for it again. God damn it, this fucking mountain.
Yeah, it gets very steep.
I noticed.
Oh, can't go down.
Where the hell are you leading me?
It's okay.
How do you know it's up here?
So I can see it on the GPS.
Oh, I don't have the GPS out. Why, Energy, do you have to be so shit?
I mean, I have no doubt this is definitely not the way you're supposed to get to the cave, but...
Do we ever take the proper way to anything?
I mean, that's part of the problem with having it as an open world.
It don't even matter. Even if it's a set on rails game, we find the way around it half the time.
Ooh. I might die.
I hope not. I'm still not even near you. You kind of took off without me. Where the hell are you?
Oh, there's 2 caves over here.
Well, I'm still working my way up. Where the hell? Oh my god.
Hello.
And how did you almost die?
I said I could die. And that'd be from fall damage.
Whee! Why didn't you do this?
I completely forgot about it, to be honest.
Also, there may be a bug in the game to not take fall damage. Pull out the build book.
I don't want it.
Well, seeing people use the sled on TikTok, then also I see someone do the same thing. But they just jumped off the cliff and pulled out the build menu, and it just slid all the way down the mountain. Granted, they did just do a bunch of fixes, so they might have taken that away now, but... But come on, live a little.
After you.
I'm still trying to get to you, for one. And I'm not going down the mountain until I'm done up here. Fuck this snowy wasteland. We just got out of winter, and then you bring me to the only place that's always winter. Is those sharks or something frozen in the water? No, they're not. They're... Ooh, that's kind of sketchy.
There's a cave.
There's some cloth here in the middle and some money. Ooh,
There's a sled.
tent, save! Can opener.
Hey!
I don't know what this is, but I'll eat it. Oh. Mouth!
Save. Sleep.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Daytime.
I mean, just to have energy again. Oh, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Where's the
Where
can opener?
fuck is the can opener in this thing?
Right next to the feathers? Like, plain as day view? Oh, that it don't look like that's edible. Okay, you could just open it and store it.
I got cat food.
Yeah, that's I think what all this is, because that's what's just coming out over and over and over again. So yeah, you can just open it and it stores it.
I'm pretty sure there's spoilers.
Possibly.
Mm.
I mean, it is cat food after all. Who knows? I opened a couple of them just to see. Alright, well. Oh.
Okay.
Alright, back down the mountain.
That's already a good sign.
A dead person?
Completely stripped dead person.
I mean, isn't that most of the corpses that are on this island, for the most part? Really nothing in here.
Well, we're also not in the cave yet.
Isn't this the cave? Because I don't see a thing.
Oh, I guess it is.
I mean, unless there's somewhere we can dig or something in here.
No. I guess it is.
That's weird. Doesn't normally the cave, like, markers are the little slits in the wall only. Is there another cave that we're missing?
I don't think so. I mean, I did see another cave that direction.